Hi, this is Handy Jojo. This video is going to show you how to assemble this mountain bike I just bought from Costco. This is what we have inside the box. The main bike, the seat, and the box apart. Next, we are going to take off all this protective package. I've taken out all this protective packaging. This is what's inside this box. Some small pieces. And then a nut and bolt, and then two pedals. Now only thing is to be careful. This wheel, you don't want to pull it out. You want to roll it forward, and then take it out because it's got stuck here. Okay. First, you want to install a handlebar. So we need to turn around this fork. Here says front. Also, this faceplate with screw facing front. And then all you need to do is take out this faceplate. And then mount the handlebar here. That's a mark. That's where your mounting point. That's a mounting point mark. And then you screw back. After you screw back, before you really tighten, you make sure you have to adjust this handbrake pointing downward for about 45 degrees. Second step is install a seat. This is easy. Just open this quick release and then insert this seat past the mark here. That's the mark here. So that's all you need to do. Okay? And after you're done, just close it. Tighten here and close it. We need to install this front wheel. First, remove the protective plastic cover on both sides. Just pull this off. This side just squeeze and then pull it off. And then after that, put this quick release into this front wheel. So you unscrew one side, take out one spring, and then push through. Make sure this lever is on the same side of this disc. Okay, lever is on the same side of this. And then put a spring back. Spring back. This spring, same direction. This larger size on the outside. And then you screw back. Now put this front wheel into the fork. On the back wheel, it has an identical disc. So these two discs should be on the same side. And on the back wheel, on the other side has a chain. So this disc should be on the opposite side of the chain. So after you have this seat tightly, make sure you hand tight the hand. This is too loose here, quick release. So you have to hand tight on the other side. And then now you have to try very hard. Okay. Let's try really hard to lock it. Next, we install this front brake. You can see here there are two brake pads. What you want is have this disc go between this brake pad. Also this cable going outside this fork. So you put in here, and then there are two screws from the power box. So you take these two screws and then put in here. That's all. Next, we install the pedal. So you got a marker left and for left, L for L, R for R. For left pedal, you need to turn counterclockwise to tighten. For right pedal, you need to turn clockwise to tighten. So like this. So after you hand tight, you use the wrench to tighten more. Okay? You need to remove this two plastic cover on the back on the wheel. Put the two reflector, the red one for the back, just like that. The white one on the handlebar. Click. I think this is done. Before you ride, make sure you check the tire pressure. Thank you for watching.